New York law firms aren't flirting with AI, they're practically putting a ring on it. They're deploying agentic AI systems. Think AI that doesn't draft documents, but decides what to draft, when to send them, and who to involve. Platforms like Leah by ContractPod AI are leading this charge, enabling AI agents to operate independently within legal workflows. Meanwhile, UK firms are still treating AI like it's a forbidden spell from the Ministry of Magic. Hesitant, cautious, and maybe a tad fearful. But here's the reality check. Standing still is not an option. Today I'm breaking down 5 critical insights from New York's legal tech scene and what they mean for firms in the UK. Agentic AI refers to systems that don't just generate text, but autonomously decide what to write, when to send it, and how to file it. It's active R&D in some of the world's top firms. For example, Leah by ContractPod AI offers AI agents to enhance legal workflows through task-specific expertise and advanced reasoning. Imagine an AI handling due diligence by sifting through mountains of documents overnight, highlighting key issues and drafting reports by the morning. The efficiency gains are monumental. Yes, regulation is crucial, but let's be clear, paralysis isn't compliance. Hesitation due to regulatory uncertainties is causing a bottleneck in AI adoption. LawTech UK has highlighted that regulatory risks are inhibiting law firms' adoption of AI. The New York State Bar Association has released comprehensive guidelines for AI use in legal practice, emphasizing competence, confidentiality, and compliance. Similarly, the UK Solicitors Regulation Authority, SRA, has published insights on AI adoption focusing on confidentiality and privacy. UK firms should proactively adapt to these frameworks to future-proof themselves before they're compelled to catch up. The ethical playbook is being written. It's time to read and implement it. Your next-gen hires expect to work at a firm that embraces smart tech. A survey by LexisNexis found that a failure to adopt AI could lead to 11% of lawyers considering leaving their firm, a figure that rises to 19% in larger firms. If you're not integrating AI, you're not just inefficient, you're losing the talent battle. The message is clear: innovate or risk becoming obsolete in the eyes of top talent. You're watching this video because visual content builds trust. Similarly, we help firms use AI to scale that kind of connection without compromising on integrity. By leveraging AI-powered chat, firms can create experiences that build trust and encourage clients to engage further. It's about enhancing client relationships through intelligent technology. We're not just about tech, we're about safe speed.